Hi guys, Jogo here, and after many people asking me, I finally tell the truth about Neurodrine big concentration here in the video, because I will tell you important things for the preservation of your health and also have some important alerts for those who intend to order the product, because it's been happening several problems with some people lately. That's why I decided to make this video review. Many people have been deceived by buying on unofficial websites like Amazon or eBay or any other marketplaces. The product is only sold on the official website. You may find some copies that will be cheaper on the market basis, but you won't be the official product, guys, so be really careful. Those copies may damage your health, so to avoid any problem I will leave the link to the official websites down in the description below. Also be aware of people who claim to have used the product when in fact they never even used. But anyways, Neurodrine is a nootropical pill that boosts cognition, boosts memory and recall by using vitamins, minerals, plant extracts, herbs, and other natural substances. Neurodrine is the fastest, safest, most effective way to recharge your mind, strengthen your neuronal connections, and restore the chemical balance in your brain. It's a one-of-a-kind, extremely powerful formula that repairs your brain, helps you regain your memories, and protects your mind against cognitive damage. Guys, Neurodrine contains a formula like no water, designed to boost, rejuvenate, and energize every cell in your brain that's damaging your memories. It helps you to get rid of those embarrassing senior moments once for all. Your Dreamlo will make you learn faster, both your creativity, give you brighter moods, and stimulates your brain for a level of focus you won't even know where you are capable of, and it does all of that by firing up neurotransmitters in your brain, repairing the damaged brain cells, and eliminate brain shrinkage, bulletproofing the entire brain against cognitive decline, getting rid of anxiety and insomnia, and ultra boosts your energy levels. Guys, you also get the side benefits of the 8 super ingredients inside, like reduced anxiety, improved mood, normalize it blood pressure, reduce risk of respiratory infections, improve the digestion, strong muscles, improve it, nutrients supply to your brain, better circulation and heart health, and even sharper vision and eye health. There are some really great ingredients, but all the information you can see on the official website. Guys, some people came asking me if it's really safe to take, and the answer is absolutely yes, guys. The vitamins perfectly safe, no help farming. Some capsules can get you addicted, but it's not the case here. It's an all-natural supplement. It's made in the USA in a FDA registered facility that follows GMP guidelines, so it's not made in some random place. Also, depending when you get your package, if you get the 3 or 6 bottles package, guys, you can get up to $300 discount. So if you see the discount on the website down